On this episode of Agile Quick Tips, we're going to explore how scheduling follow-up times might make your daily scrums be that much more focused and effective. One problem that a lot of Scrum teams or Agile teams have to contend with is the really long daily Scrum. So instead of the 10 or 12-minute quick sync-up, it's now 20 or 30 minutes, much longer than you want it to be. And one of the main reasons is people are getting into the weeds. They're trying to solution those problems. They're using that time to do the follow-up. Instead of doing it in the Scrum, you might want to schedule some time in people's calendars, maybe 30 or 40 minutes, where people know that that's when they can follow up. The keys to making this work is, 1, keep a consistent time that's always the same time every day. 2, make sure it's actually scheduled in people's calendar so that people don't schedule over it. And 3, make sure that the priority is given to the follow-up. No matter what someone's doing, if during that time somebody comes to you for help, you have to drop whatever you're doing and help you out with your team member. This way, we can make those scrums more effective and those follow-ups be a lot more effective as well. I hope you enjoyed that Agile Quick Tip. More importantly, I hope you found it valuable. And if you did, come check out my website at thinklouder.com. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Giora Morein. And then be sure to check out the links in the post to get more information. See you next time.